my God! Oh, I'm sorry. Hello. Oh my God! Look at your legs. I can't contain myself. Your time, your life, and energy. King of the jungle. I love you, Jakarta. The black palm cockatoo.
Yes.
Talk about freedom. Today's the 17th. It's Indonesia's Independence Day.
Yes.
Peace.
Go! You know, wherever you're at around the world, actually the #1 top influencer here in Indonesia has such a dope aviary to let birds fly free. He uses his influence, uses his money, uses his time the right way.
And you can see the
Ostrich!
ostrich. Yes.
You have ostrich!
Ostrich. Yes.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
You have 3 ostriches!
Yeah.
Hello! Hello,
Hi,
friends!
ostrich. Okay.
Hi. Oh my goodness! He has 3 ostriches! I'm freaking out! Oh! My first time I've ever seen ostrich!
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh! Hi, buddy!
Halo.
Hello! Oh my God!
Tarzan kaget lihat.
Oh my God! It's an ostrich!
Yeah.
Oh! Hi, friend!
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We can go out from the cage.
Yes, bro!
Let's play with the ostrich.
Oh, I'm freaking out!
Excuse me. Okay.
They come out?
Okay. Yeah. Mundur. Awas. Yeah. Okay. Go. Go.
Oh my God, bro, you have ostriches! What? No! Oh my God!
Yeah, but this rain, so the bulunya kurang bagus. Hello.
Guys, don't mind the feathers. It just got done pouring down raining, but
Yeah.
there are 3 ostriches right in front of me. I'm gonna have a heart attack. Feel that?
Dia beneran dia happy banget.
Oh my God.
Excited lihat ostrich.
Hi,
Yeah.
friend!
Hello.
Oh my God! Oh my God, look at your legs! Oh, a dinosaur!
Yes, it's
Oh
dinosaurs.
my gosh! Oh my God! Oh, I had to take a seat for a second.
Yes, it's 3 years old. Yes.
What
Still
the
baby.
heck?
Still baby.
They get bigger, way bigger.
Yeah.
Ow! Oh!
Dia sampai
Bro.
deg-degan, dug.
Oh!
Jonggol kita yang deg-degan.
These are your babies.
Yeah.
You have them for 3 years.
Yes.
Wow, what are their names?
Subur, Selamat, and Susi.
Wow!
Yeah.
Wow! Sumu, Slavap, and Susi.
Yes. If
Wow.
no rainy, it's very
Fluffy.
handsome. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, man. They look so healthy.
Yeah.
So thick.
Yeah. It's so very big.
Wow. 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 I did not know you had ostriches, man.
Oh yeah.
These are dinosaurs.
Yeah. It's
The world's
like
largest flightless bird. Oh my God.
there's 1 male and 2 female.
Bro.
And I think this year they will have a egg.
Bro, big egg.
Yes,
huh?
the big egg,
Oh
2
my
kilos,
gosh.
2 kilograms.
Gosh.
It's a dinosaur.
Bro, this is Jurassic Park.
It's like Jurassic
Jurassic
Park.
Park, man.
Hi.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah. It's not dream.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Hello. Hello. I'm sorry. Hello.
Ya.
Wow.
Wah ini sayang ya baru hujan jadinya bulunya kurang bagus. Padahal biasanya
I just
bagus.
touched an ostrich. I'm not gonna wash my hand for a week.
Oh no.
A week.
No kidding.
I need to wrap my hand up.
Oh, yeah,
Oh my God.
Bye ostrich. Hi. Yeah.
Oh my God.
yeah.
This is an ostrich. It's an ostrich. It's like. Look at the feet, you know? He's like, bro, he's so freaking. Look.
Emang Tarzan beneran. Go back to his home.
Here you go. Oh, man. Look at this little cute thing. Here, take it.
This one. Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry. Ready?
Oh
my God.
It's very gentle.
So cute. I can't contain myself. Oh, gosh. Oh, my first time in life feeding baby deers.
Oh yeah.
Ever. Oh, bucket list again. Ostrich now, baby deers.
The male and female.
Whoa, I got more. Oh,
Lanjut. Okay, lanjut. With another keeper. Yes, it's keeper for a deer.
Wow.
And
Wow, man.
okay.
So cool. The variation goes from gray, like granite, like your countertop in your house, to bone white, specks of yellow. Man, this is, look, almost like purple in there too. Now this one is bone white. Sometimes these animals will come out all white and the head will just be a different color. Nuts. So crazy. They get easily about 23 to 24 feet long, but the scientific name of this guy is the Malayo python reticulatus. So sick, man. And these guys will eat deers, they'll eat other crocodiles, they'll eat everything and anything they can catch. How sick is that? Wow, retics, man, always. Peace. Dear God, thank you for these wonderful people that you blessed in our lives. Lord, first and foremost, I always ask that you bless our families, you bless our friends as they go and come from work, as they live their lives, Lord. We also ask you to soften the hearts of our enemies, Lord, and help them find guidance straight to you, Lord. Lead them out the dark and bring them right into the light to you. God, thank you so much for all these beautiful people that dedicate their time, their life, and energy, all their soul and their being to these animals. It shows. As you continue to bless this whole place, this whole property, every single one who's turned the key every single day and checked in to work, Lord, I ask you to bless their whole families fruitfully for many generations, just like these birds, Lord. And when the time is right, you let them free. Dude, this is amazing. God, keep blessing this place, keep protecting these people. I thank you so much for each and individual one of these people. In Jesus' name I pray, Allah, God, everybody. Amen.
Amin.
Hey.
The real Tarzan!
King of the jungle.